everybody, Kristi coming back at you. I have a cool idea. I'm going to use my CA as my base. And then I'm going to do an open cut. So let's see if we get overwhelmed with cells. Darn it, I keep forgetting to turn that off before I start. So we will put this here. We will put extra black around here so that we can get the paint in the thing to go up underneath the black paint, and that's what makes the cool cells. So we've got, this is that tea, that Tortamine pink by, oh, who the heck did it? I think it's a deco art. This is aqua blue green. This is a primary element green, which is tropic blue. This is, I just had it. Art Minds Timeless Teal. I love that name. Timeless Teal. I may have to thin these some. And then I got my 24 karat gold. My primary element fairy wings. I've got a purple shift by Folk Art. Heavenly White, which is just full of glitter. And maybe a little unbleached titanium by Liquitex. Let's start with the turquoise blue. Do the magenta. That's Extreme Sheen Magenta. So that's Color Shift Purple. Looks really cosmic-y. A little bit of gold. I don't want a lot of gold. A little bit. Alright, then we'll do this one. Do some Chantilly lace. There it goes. It's on the move, and I'm dripping everywhere. Well, it didn't pick up very well. Oh, here come my cells. Look at them pop. That is so cool. Well, maybe unbleached titanium. Let's do a little of this purple. Maybe a little bit of this purple. I'll do some permanent blue violet. Okay, I I kind of want it to come back this way. And he wants to go that way. Alright. Let's just keep adding. Put some more sparkle in this. Color shift purple. More of this. Some of the base coat. I think I'm almost done. Alright. Ha 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 ha. Oh. Pull up and twist. And there's our end. In the bucket you go. So, now I've got to stretch this. I'm hoping for some negative space, but I'm not counting on it. That was a lot of paint. Oh, that was so pretty. Cells are coming up. Or lacing. Don't want anybody get upset because I call it the wrong thing. I left a little negative space. Let's torch it and see what it does. I was hoping for more cells. Wondering if I shouldn't blow some of this black cell activator back over the colors. I'm afraid I'll mess it up though. See what this does. And now some makes more negative space. Alright, well that did nothing. Come on, give me something. It's not working. That's for sure. I got some pretties going on in here. That's not what I wanted at all. The open cups I did when I was making them for my kids for Christmas turned out way better than any I've had now. Make me some more negative space. Alright, guys. Probably just my mood. I'm just not into the day. Alright, well, I got my corners. Tilt in some of that negative space. I love the colors. They are marvelous. Just simply marvelous. My two little negative spaces. It's hoping for cells. But you don't know if you don't try, so I tried it. Alright guys, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Here's my open cup pour. I made more negative space in. I like it. With the base of cell activator, I thought I'd get way more cells, but I'm happy. It's very pretty and shimmery, and if you like purples and greens, here you go. And I also did this canvas board. I think I did a short little video on it. Just a little short video. But I put it in the drippings of this painting. So if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe, share.